Check this out.
Wow,
It's like a single cell.
That's cool.
See that?
What is that?
Where'd it go?
Is that like snow? What are you eating?
Gum. Check
Oh
that
my
out.
god, what is that?
It's cool. It's like I think it's one cell.
Why is it moving?
Probably to look for food.
What's that thing?
Or a mate.
What is that?
That's like a piece of, those are like a bunch of plant cells. Like,
no, like what's that like brown thing?
That's what I mean, like dead plant something.
Oh my god, that's so cool. Is that from snow?
No. This is from plant water. You can see the contractile vacuole on this thing. The single cell. You got the cilia. You can kind of see the cilia on the front, but in the back you can see this like spherical thing kind of fill up with water every few seconds. Oops, there it goes. You can kind of see it. It's kind of lighter in color. It's filling up. It's about to get ejected. There we go. It ejected it. Contractile vacuole. It's really because of diffusion, osmosis. The inside of the cell, right? It's hypertonic to the outside. So all the water, all this water's going in, net water in. Cell's got to do something or it's about to pop. So it makes this contractile vacuole, puts the water in there. So apparently the cell pumps hydrogen ion, protons, across that contractile vacuole membrane, either in or out, depending on, I don't know, different conditions or maybe different species. And that creates a gradient, brings other ions across with the protons, creating a gradient, making it hypertonic in the contractile vacuole by pumping all these ions in there. And then the water in the cell moves into there. It gets dumped out. Hey, this is pretty good 3D here. You can see the cilia beating pretty quickly. Some organelles in there. Oh no, another one. Oh, there was two of them? Oh, there was like two of them. That was tight.